What is up guys, and welcome to our power tune on the sales and distribution process. Alright guys, as an overview, we are going to talk about the sales order process, characteristics of sales and distribution, and finally, the advantages of ERP in the sales and distribution process. So look forward to that. So guys, the 8 steps in the SD process is first we raise the sales order, we check the availability, then there's outbound delivery and the transportation. Next there's goods pickup, we issue the goods, we bill, and we process the payment to get that money. Firstly, the customer comes to the supplier and he makes an inquiry and he's like, is this available? How much does it cost? How much money do I have to pay? After that, because the customer now knows the price and he wants a legally binding document, he'll say, can you please send me a quotation? To approve the sale, the company has to check the credit limit of the customer. Sales order is then created to lock in the customer's order. After the sales order, we have to check the availability of that product. Once we know the product is available, we will start the picking process. The delivery note helps the people who pick the materials know what and how to pick. After picking, the materials are packed to be ready to be delivered to the customer. Finally, the goods are delivered. After that, the customer makes payment and that's when we get that money. Now that we got that money, we're gonna look at the characteristics of the SD process. The first characteristics of the SD process is that it implements business processes which is used in selling and billing of goods. Another characteristic of SD is that it integrates the data for everyone. Besides that, it has adaptable functionality which is used to create complex pricing schemes. Finally, it has comprehensive reporting which allows data to be stored and also reported by the user.